Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all of the beauties that I made using the Bargain Bead Box Seafoam Sunrise Collection for March of 2024. I had so much fun with this box. This is all I have left. It's just the top drilled ones, a few of these. I used everything in a few of these. That is it. And there's like 5 bead caps left, which I'm sure I'll throw them onto something else. So we're going to start off with, this was my first tutorial from the Bargain Bead Box. It was this Boho, let me lay this down. This is Boho necklace. And I used a little bit of the chain to make sure it's in view. Used a little bit of the chain. I'll leave a link below to this tutorial. Used a little bit of the chain. I used one of the toggle clasps, the round part of it. And then I did this little attachment here. I got the teardrop filigree. I turned it upside down. And then I did, I doubled the chain. And then I attached these little pieces to it, the eye pins with these gorgeous beads on it. I love the way this turned out. This was so much fun. Now, I explained in the video, I did use a lobster clasp instead of the toggle clasp because this is not very firm of a necklace, and I was afraid the toggle clasp wouldn't stay in. So that's why I used the lobster clasp, because, you know, if you're wearing it and it kind of collapses a little bit because it's chain like this, I thought it'd be a little sturdier with the lobster claw. So this is the first one. Then my second tutorial, I added a pop of color. I added a little bit of the orange seed beads and a few gold seed beads because I wanted to do something different. So so this is a multi-metal too. It's copper and gold. And I used the pinch bail right here, and I connected the pendant to it. I love the way this turned out. You see all the colors in there. And then I went to the tiny faceted Amazonite beads, and then I just did this little pattern up like that. So I have that right there. So this is my second one. And then I made, let me see here. Let me get the front of these. Then I made these little dangle earrings using the lever back ear wires. And I added this little bit of, I cut 3 even pieces of chain. So this is how these fit. So I loved the way these turned out. Then I did, let me just get this here. I had to use the chandelier component. Let me just do one of these. And I just did, let me kind of lay these. I'm trying to lay them down so you can see exactly what they look like. So this is what I did, and I took one longer piece of chain and two shorter pieces, and I did them just like that. I used all of the chain from this box. I used every single, well, except for the little ones that I cut, but I used all of the chain. So I have that. Then I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 stretch bracelets. So I did these 2, and I just used these black rhinestone spacer beads. So this is kind of like a set right here. Oh, hitting the camera here. So this is a set. Love this. And then get all these together. This was another set that I did. And these are all stretch bracelets. So let me see, I'll put these on so I can show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Look at how pretty these are. So I had some extra copper bead caps because I had run out of those right away. And then I had some of these, you see, these black rhinestone spacer beads. I had some in like a rose gold. And so I just did a couple there just to make that like the front part, the focal part of the bracelet. I put 2 on each side, and then I used some in between here. But other than that, the bead caps, these were just all of the other beads that I used. I absolutely loved this box. Like I said, you know, one thing I do is when I get to a point of where I've made like, you know, I made 2 necklaces, 2 pairs of earrings, then I usually take all the extra beads, especially if they kind of blend. And I make, I'll make like a memory wire bracelet or something just to use up the rest of the beads. But with these, I just ended up taking my, my stretch cord and made all of these. And I think they turned out so pretty. 3. So I got 7 bracelets, 2 pairs of earrings, and 2 necklaces. So you got to admit, that's a lot of jewelry for that box. I was really, really surprised how much jewelry those strands made. Those were some long strands. So, yeah, so this is my finished video for all the finished jewelry for the Bargain Bead Box of March 2024 Seafoam Sunrise Collection. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought of it, or if you're, I'll leave the links to this video and to this video. And I'll also leave a link to Bargain Bead Box, and along with links to all of my social media, my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Facebook. And I would love it if you would follow me on my YouTube channel, because I have a lot of good tutorials coming up. And if you would like it and share it and subscribe to it, like I said, I would really appreciate it. So with that, I will leave you, and you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.